Welcome, I am Joost Alexander and I am communication trainer at Caseplay. In this physical workshop, we will work with improving your body language by giving you a better body awareness. We will work through a series of short exercises that activate the whole body bit by bit. It is useful, it is relaxing and it can be a lot of fun.
Jeg oplever, at fokus på det fysiske hjælper mig til at være mere skarp i svære samtaler, i mødefora, i præsentationer. At jo mere grounded jeg er, jo bedre præsterer jeg.
When we communicate our messages in the workspace, we need both the ability to deliver with firmness and integrity, as we need to show the flexibility to listen and to follow the other person's thoughts. Our words come across much more clear if our body is aligned with our intention. In this workshop, you will learn how to use your body awareness by experience, how to emphasize your feeling of balance, your feeling of stability, and also how to control involuntary tensions in your expression that might be misunderstood when communication goes wrong. It is targeted at professionals who find themselves communicating with customers, patients, clients, colleagues, as well as for you who does presentations as part of your job. Everybody can join. The short exercises need no special skills or athletic appearance. Everybody gets an eye-opener for how much better you can use your body language in your daily communication as a professional.